Greetings to everybody and welcome to Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ncis, I wish for everyone is enjoying a fantastic day ahead of us. Please press the subscribe button to get started. Please click on this video, hoping.
Following the cancellation of Ncis, Hawaii, a star makes fun of the show by using viewing statistics from CBS. The Hawaii branch of the renowned agency debuted in 2021 as part of Ncis's spin-off expansion, introducing a completely new staff headed by Vanessa Leici's Jane Tennant. Ncis, Hawaii, which focused on crimes involving the military and national security, was just beginning to build a strong fan base when the network abruptly canceled it. The branch was doing well enough to be continued, despite not being as successful as its original series. Regretfully, CBS held a different opinion. Series star Jason Antoon, who played cyber intelligence specialist Ernie Malik, makes fun of Ncis, Hawaii's controversial cancellation in the wake of ratings data being made public. See what he has posted on X below. Ncis, Hawaii was ranked as the 16th most watched series overall for the 2023 to 2024 season in Antoon's initial social media posts. This is a notable rise in the ratings over the show's previous year. Additionally, he mentioned that the series finale, which aired on the major broadcast networks, ranked number 11 in terms of the biggest 7-day rise for primetime finals. The decision to cancel Hawaii was already controversial before CBS revealed its most recent year's viewership figures. It is the third spin-off from the renowned police procedural series to conclude after Ncis, New Orleans and Ncis, Los Angeles. That said, the Leci-led series was the least time on air of all the canceled spin-offs in the universe. The fact that Ncis, Hawaii concluded on a cliffhanger, setting up Tennant's next case, is what made its abrupt ending even more painful. It will now stay unsolved unless CBS changes its mind about its first assessment of the idea. Nevertheless, there is history of networks reversing their choices of programming. The best example is how CBS decided to reconsider canceling SWAT after Shemar Moore expressed his desire for the show to go on in public remarks. Antoon's criticisms of Ncis, Moore accomplished a lot on his own, but Hawaii's abrupt demise would not have achieved the same results. Still, it might provoke conversation among his co-stars and the growing audience the show was attracting. This may force CBS to at least think about ordering Ncis, Hawaii Season 4, if only to ensure the program ends with a fitting farewell rather than a shocking revelation. In the event that Ncis, Hawaii's cancellation is reversed, viewers might have to wait a bit to find out when it returns to television. While Ncis Season 22 will air during its scheduled hour, Mark Harmon's Ncis Origins, which will explore Leroy Jethro Gibbs' origin story in the agency, will replace the spinoff on the old block. This implies that when Tennant's squad returns, CBS will need to come up with a fresh schedule. Whatever the situation, offering them another chance to say farewell in a respectful manner is far preferable to ending the show with a huge narrative hole, even if there may be a waiting period. Usually, cancellations are caused by a show's bad performance. Nevertheless, Ncis, Hawaii was generating strong ratings, as Antoon noted, so CBS's choice to cancel the show was puzzling. The network officials then addressed the matter, stating that the difficult choice to abruptly discontinue Ncis, Hawaii was prompted by the show's cost to ratings ratio, as well as the cohesiveness of its overall programming. It's important to keep in mind, though, that in addition to Ncis Origins, there will be another spin-off in the form of Ncis Tony and Ziva, which will air on Paramount Plus rather than CBS. The series has a method to resolve the cliffhanger ending of the spin-off Ncis Hawaii, should CBS decide to stand its ground in the face of calls to bring the show back. After her series concluded, Tennant might be added to MCRT by the main Ncis program. Tennant might join Alden Parker's squad as Jessica Knight's successor. Hiring an established character with NCIS ties would make the challenging move less difficult than seeking for a new cast member. There is a catch to this arrangement, though, as it would need Tennant to be demoted in order to remain an NCIS senior field agent. Tennant was an extremely productive special agent in charge on NCIS, Hawaii, to put things in perspective. While it's not the best scenario, this is the easiest method to guarantee that the mystery of Maggie Shaw's return will be explained. If not, it would be very challenging for the spinoff to go back to the case and provide a fitting conclusion for the narrative.